Hi, I'm Gianluca Campiglio, board-certified plastic surgeon from Milan, Italy, and I have a very important advice for you. Don't miss the next 9 International Breast Surgery Workshop and the 5th World Consensus Conference on BIA-ALCL, which will be held in Rome from April 19 to April 20, 2024. You can attend personally the meeting, which is a very good idea, and in this way enjoy the beauty of the eternal city as it is now Rome, or participate virtually from remote. The aim of my talk is to persuade you about the opportunity to switch from texture to smooth implant, explaining you not only the advantages and benefit, but also the risk and the complication of this choice. I'm waiting for you in Rome next April 19-20, 2024. Bye.